Hey everybody, welcome to Garden Time with Belle. Well, I'm sitting here in my car because I'm going to take you all with me to a special event this morning. One of my friends is hosting a floral workshop and I could not be more excited. I've not been to Annika's property before. She lives out on a farm where she has a beautiful cut flower garden and lots of other gardens and a wonderful event space. She hosts lots of different types of workshops at her home and I cannot wait to experience this floral workshop. She's also invited a floral designer to give all of the attendees a lesson in floral design, and I am excited about that. My whole career was spent in education and learning, and I am a lifelong learner, and you know, if you followed my channel for any length of time, I am up for learning about all kinds of things. And so, you know, there's always room to grow my skills, and I definitely need some skills in floral design. I love to grow a variety of cut flowers and bring them in the home and give them as gifts. So today is the perfect workshop for me to learn more. So before I put the car in drive, I'm going to invite everybody to please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for those of you that are already subscribers and those of you that might have just found Garden Time with Belle. Thank you for being here. I hope you're going to enjoy today's video. I know I'm going to enjoy the experience and I'm going to capture as much of it as I can and share it with the rest of you. So, got to put the car in drive and head out to this wonderful event. So, check in with you soon once I arrive. Okay, so I made it to Annika's place, and right behind me, the greeters, her chickens. She's got a chicken coop right here. I'll take the camera in and see if you all can see the girls. Hello. Ooh, she's got a lot of chickens in there. Anyhow, it could not be a more glorious day. We've been extremely hot here in mid-Missouri, and not now. We're gonna have highs, I think, in the next week, maybe 80, some in the mid-70s. And for late August, early September, that is really, really great for us. So anyhow, okay, I guess I need to stop talking and I'm gonna head in to her workshop right here. First time visiting her farm and I can't wait to explore. Oh, and we've got, hello kitty. We've got a kitty greeting us too. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty you are. Okay, I'm getting distracted by all the cute animals. Gotta head inside. Oh my gosh, isn't this charming? Look at this front porch. Oh, love, love, love.
So yours, no, you're good. Yeah, so,
I mean, any event where they're going to give you mimosas, you have to come to. I mean, look at that. Yum, yum. And snacks. Look at all these. I bet these are ones we get to use.
And I'm always like, I told her, I was like, I want to come to a workshop, but I never can make it work. I'm like, I'm going to a workshop.
Absolutely glorious. Okay. Annika, you have to teach me how to grow snapdragons that will bloom this late in the season.
I didn't grow these. Yeah, these are all from my farm.
Yeah, these are all from my
Okay.
stuff that I grew is still in the garden. We didn't cut any of it.
Okay, because I tried to grow late season snapdragons last year.
Yeah, I cannot take credit
Just
for
have
any
to try again.
Yeah,
These are all from local
cosmos. Is this apricota?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's, I grow that
Apricot,
one.
and then I think there's apricot lemonade in there too.
Oh, look at the celosia.
Oh, okay, yeah. Here, I can take it back.
This looks like these are going to be our workstations. Oh my gosh, look at these containers. Darling. I love it.
mango celosia. This is like, I just call this Amish celosia because it's the Amish always grow this big coxcomb style. My zinnias are all kind of flattened in the middle, but they're all just melding together. This is my favorite celosia to grow just because it goes wild. It's called terracotta. It's really pretty.
I love that one.
Yeah.
It's a perfect color for fall.
Yeah. It's not ready to cut, but then if you do this one, it stays straight. So that's how you know if a zinnia is ready to cut. If it stays rigid like that. Whereas that one's on the verge. That one's way too floppy. See it flipping around? It's not ready.
Utilizing local flowers. So today, every stem that we have is grown locally. Columbia and Jeff City, and even south of Jeff City, we're like lucky in mid-Missouri to have a really strong local flower growing collective. So I sourced, I think today from about, okay, and then this is so, I love these so much. I like can't resist. So these are little tiny drumstick alliums. They're so fun. So if you get, I like a lot of texture and whimsy, and these are just like too cute. And they actually last a really long time in a vase. So, you know, if you like them, you can grab a bunch because it's so fun.
Or a red wooden chair in the corner. Or
Hey,
something
I like
a
that.
random red thing. It is down there.
So do you also love to your design, like your daughter?
I feel like I'm out. Is it out?
Yeah.
Well, that could be handy though to have that looking out there. Too busy. Okay, do I have two really nice?
Hey everybody, let's talk flowers. Just take a look at what I created today when I went to one of my friends' workshops and learned about floral arranging. I've never taken a floral arranging class. You've seen me cut a lot of flowers from my garden and do my own arranging, but wow, I learned so much. I had so much fun. I just had such a great time. So let me show you what I chose for my arrangement. One of the big things I learned today is I had never thought about using basil as some greenery. And so what we did was we built a base in our adorable, look how cute this pot is, in our vessel. And we built our base with greenery, and I used basil and some other greenery. Honestly, I think this was a kind of Amsonia, but a native Amsonia. Yeah, isn't it just gorgeous? It's got soft pinks and violet and purple and some yellow. Couple of other ahas during my workshop that I attended was using sedum flowers. I had never considered cutting the flowers from sedum. And if you can see, I'll bring it in close here. My sedum has a little pink blush, which complements this. I've got allium in here. I've got celosia. I don't grow this version, but I need to find out what it is because I love that version of celosia. Let's see, what else do I have in here? I mean, this looks like a salvia to me, the purple, but it's not. I wish I could tell you what it is, but look at the purple faux salvia. I don't know what it is with the allium right next to it. I just think that makes such a lovely combination, and learned about that you don't have to pack your vases full of the same flowers. Have some ones that pop up and add airiness and look more natural, just like they do in your garden. So anyhow, oh, such a fun morning. Anyhow, happy gardening, everybody. I hope you get out in your garden today and enjoy some flowers.